Hello, this is Whiteford Handmade Pipes by myself, Michael David. Anyway, what I want to do here is I want to cut in here and here, and then cut down this line here and here, and that'll give us our shank, and then I can start shaping. So we'll move this out of the way here. And turn on the bandsaw. Try to do this very slowly and carefully. Now I want to be aware that I don't want to cut into any of the bowl here. So I want to make sure I'm back this far enough. So I just go in real slow. And there, and that. I'll flip it around here and do the same. And when you're running a bandsaw, friends, you definitely want to be careful, because you can cut your finger off in a split second. So you definitely don't want to ever be consuming any alcohol, not even a drop. You want to make sure you have all your reflexes 100% for sure. Anyway, here we've cut in there, that part. So now I'm going to do this along the line here. Keep it as straight as we can. Go. Carefully get that out of the way. Yeah, we've got that side done. Now we'll just do this side and we'll be good. And again, just take it nice and slow and account for the width of the cut of the bandsaw blade. This one cuts a lot wider than the last one I had. So I don't want to nick the bowl at all. Yeah. And that piece is gone. So here we go. We've successfully drilled the, bandsawed off to give the rough shape of our shank here. So that's it for now, everyone. Please like or subscribe and all that good stuff, and take care for now. This is Michael David out.